Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand.
Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. I just got out of the shower. Shelby girl's right there watching the window. I'll show you my husband who's asleep in his recliner. Let's see. Oh, it helps if I'm around. My turkey's in the oven. It smells amazing already. I have cookies for the non-pie eater. There's Mr. Pumpkin. Wondering where the heck I went. Those are just your chocolate chip cookies and some peanut butter surprise. I made both of those during the Christmas cookie collab last year. I will make sure to link those down below. Neither one of those are my recipe, but very tasty. A few more peanut butter surprise cooling before I can add them to the tray. I've made my cornbread dressing. It is setting till the turkey is done. I will put it in. And green bean casserole. So then all I have left to do is prep the mashed potatoes and mac and cheese. So, oh, there's something else. Hold on. You can't forget the deviled eggs. I also got those done. So while it's been a busy morning, I just didn't have time to film. But the rest of the day should be fun. I hope to get little snippets here and there. Kind of a little cloudy outside. We are going to start getting rain tomorrow. I think we're going to get a cold front by Saturday. So it'll finally feel a little like December, which it's almost that time. And decorating starts very, very soon. Let me go show you some things that I've picked up. As you can see, we are a very casual family. In my room, the fan is on, it stays on. So we don't go fancy all out for holidays. I want everyone to be comfortable and cozy and feel like they're welcome to kick off their shoes and take a nap if they want to. This year for Thanksgiving, it is just the kids and I and one significant other, and I'm so thankful that it is that way. It has nothing to do with COVID. It's just how it is this year. So my bed is not made. I thought the husband was going to come take a nap in here, but he fell asleep in his chair. So let me turn you around. Okay, this basket I got. Hold on. I got a couple different things. This is just a laundry basket from the Dollar Tree. I'm actually going to be turning this into a tree collar. That seems to be all the rage nowadays, is a tree collar instead of a tree skirt. So I'm going to use the tree skirt that I have bought for used the last couple of years, and I'm going to transform this basket into a collar. I'm going to let you guys watch along the way because I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. Then from Dollar Tree, I also picked up this. It is just an organizer, as you see. Usually it is for hardware, storage case. I'll show you what I'm going to use that for in a minute. I picked up 2 wreath forms, hoping to tackle some wreaths just for fun. I saw them there, picked them up. I don't know exactly what I'm going to use for them. And then at the Dollar Tree, I also picked up 4 of these. I want to turn this kind of into a lantern to attach them and remove this piece, but I'm not sure. They looked interesting, so I snagged them. We'll create something with it. I picked up some buffalo check ribbon in the red and black and the black and white. These are going to be my colors this year for my Christmas tree. I usually have red, white, and Grinch green. I've had it for 6 years. This will be our 7th Christmas in this house. So it's time to change. I just want something different. So we are going black, white, and red, and maybe a little silver on that tree. So I'm excited for that. You will also see a lot of that coming up. And then I fell down the rabbit hole of diamond painting. So this will be the first one I try. I got it at Amazon, but it's a Christmas gnome. How cute is he? That is why I picked up this, to hold the different drills. Hopefully it has enough containers to do that. We'll see. So I'm going to start on that this weekend too, since it's a long holiday weekend. There you go. Told you guys you're going to see a lot of different things in the next few weeks, because I've got my hands in so many different things as it is. I have a sheet up underneath my curtains here for when my husband works nights. It kind of blocks out the light, and those are what are they called? Blackout curtains, but with it being kind of a white cream color and eggshell color, it doesn't necessarily block it out 100%. So that is that. I am going to, oh, hold on. Might as well show you the rest, right? You guys know I started reading this last year. I did not finish, so I have this out to finish first. I plan on doing some reading this weekend. I'm very excited, actually. So, holiday books are my favorite to read. So, of course, last week or the week before, I picked up Debbie McComber's new book, Jingle All the Way. And her books like this, I usually kind of finish at least on a weekend, if not through the week, little bits at a time. So that will also be one of my Christmas reads this year. Are you reading anything? I'd love to know. Tell me in the comments down below. I'm gonna let you guys go for a little bit. I'll see you in a little bit. I thought I would tell you one more thing. You know what else I'm gonna do this weekend? I'm gonna play Nintendo Switch. It was my Christmas gift last year from the husband, and I probably have played a handful of times. I think when quarantine first started in March, I played a couple times. That was fun. But I think this weekend I'm going to just let my inner child play. I need to do some classwork. I need to take advantage of that. But I like to do that early morning when my brain is fresh. Obviously I didn't do it today. I had a lot to do. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday I will do that. I'm looking forward to just hunkering down. The weather's going to be nasty. So it'll be nice. Decorating, playing, crafting. It's a perfect weekend.
All the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill.
Hey guys, I'm in my bathroom. I'm about to take a nice hot shower. It's the end of the day. We had a great visit with our daughter and her significant other. And we played with Shelby, ate dinner, kind of just enjoyed football and family. And that's what we're all about. I did not capture any of that on video. Sorry. Those are moments that truly are special to me that I would love to have on video to look back on. But they're moments that I just let everything sit out away to the side that I just enjoy and embrace. Today has been the best Thanksgiving in my life, and it's because I let go of a relationship that I thought I had to hold on to, that I didn't realize how detrimental it was to who I am as a person. Today, I didn't put makeup on. I didn't clean my house to impress anyone. I cooked our Thanksgiving dinner, and of course I picked up, and I mean, our house has been disgusting. But our dust bunnies have names. Not really. But I didn't feel like I had to present something that was flawed, hidden under the expectation of perfect. Today, I was just me. And it was the best thing in the world that I could have ever experienced. So that was today. And I'm very thankful to share that point with you. Maybe you also need to experience the same thing. It's hard. I know on the other side, I wouldn't like it very much. I really wouldn't like things being taken away from me. But I also wouldn't want to be enabled in negative behavior. And that is one thing 2020 has taught me, is to stop enabling negative behavior. If someone around me is showing this negative behavior and I am taking part of it and enabling it, none of us are going to be any better a month from now, 2 weeks from now, even tomorrow. But today, I can tell you I am free. This has been the best day, the best Thanksgiving of my life. And it was nothing special. I cooked a meal, enjoyed my family. I think that's all it should be. Talked to some friends, went outside, embraced the moment of now. What more could we ask for? I'm so thankful for the life that I live. And I hope and I wish that you received the same thing today. And if not, then maybe you're encouraged to strive for that by Christmas, because that's our next opportunity to embrace and enjoy those great moments. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Love and joy, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on